Happy Christmas, guys. In today's episode, we'll be doing grilled turkey. We'll be using cayenne pepper. That one is finished. This is the full one. We'll be using seasoning. We'll be using ginger. We'll be using garlic. We'll be using salt. And we'll be using paprika. This is what we'll be using for our grilled turkey today. If there is any spice I have not told you about, please you go ahead and use it. I want you to put it into consideration and in your mind that each and every one of us will have our various ways of cooking, and this is just one of the ways in which I used in order to roast my turkey or to do my turkey. I can either do it whole and I can either do it cut or in smaller pieces. So today I'm sorry because of so much I had to do. I have already prepped my turkey. This is the turkey, was a full turkey that I cut into smaller pieces. Okay, and then now I'm just putting it in my bowl. I put it in my bowl. Before I continue, I want to take this time to wish everybody happy Christmas and a prosperous new year in advance. Okay, I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for those that have already subscribed. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for the very new one. And you who is watching that have not subscribed, please subscribe, because I have a lot to give to you guys. I have a lot to say. I have a lot to bring into this channel. So please subscribe and your life will never be the same again. And as you subscribe, the Lord will bless you. The Lord will keep you. And you will never struggle in your own thing that you will do in the name of Jesus. So guys, please invite your family members, invite your friends, okay? Invite your neighbors, everybody into this channel. So let's go ahead, guys, and start marinating the turkey. I want to say the first thing is ginger. Let's use ginger. Okay, you put it in any amount that you want. Okay, I like to put a lot because no turkey is thick. So I put it in another side in order not to avoid mix up. And then the next thing is my cayenne pepper. For the cayenne pepper, it will bring in a little bit of coloration. So any meat that I eat that is white, to add something in order to change the color of the meat from white to any color. Okay, so I like to use all these spices in order to change the color. With this, it will change the color to this color. Is it red or what color? You can name it. Continue to watch, guys. So this was cayenne pepper. It is not a sponsored video, okay? Guys, when you are doing it, make sure to put on mask if you don't want it to make you to be sneezing or entering your eyes or your nostrils like pepper. So the next thing is seasoning. I'm going in with my seasoning. Guys, let me know where you are watching from. Please put in the comment section where you are watching from, and let me know how you grill your own turkey. Then the next thing is garlic. As I said, this is not the only way in which I used to grill my turkey. I have different ways, so this is just one of the ways, okay? Because it's turkey, I like to put a little bit enough. The next thing is salt. You can use any type of color salt that you want. You can use white, you can use pink, yellow, green, white, yellow. So it depends on you guys. Today I'm using white salt. And then the next thing is paprika, guys. And this will be my last ingredient for this marinade. Guys, what are you making in your home for Christmas? I'm doing turkey. What are you doing as protein is concerned? Encourage me by liking, sharing, subscribe, guys, so that I'll be able to bring more, and it will encourage me to bring more. So after putting all the spices, I have to use my hands. I put on my gloves because I don't like it to touch my hands. Okay, you can put on your gloves as well. So I'll be using my hands to marinate it, or to mix the spices, to make sure that it is well incorporated and everything soaks into the meat. Continue to watch, guys. Thank you for liking the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. As you can see, guys, the meat is well mixed. So what I'm going to do is I will leave the meat, leave it for 2 hours, and grill it. So continue to watch to the end, guys. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you all, and I don't take it for granted. See you in 2 hours. It's 2 hours after marinated our turkey, and now it's time to roast it. So before that, I will just get my roasting bowl. I'll be using this as my roasting bowl for today. Okay, let me know what you guys use to roast anything in your home. So first thing, I need to put some oil in the bowl to prevent it from sticking. Okay, let me know which type of oil you use or what you do to avoid your bowl from sticking. So I'll be placing it in the bowl, one after the other. Let me know if you enjoyed the video in the comment section, guys. Trying to stir it so that everything should be mixed. So some of the juice has settled in the bowl. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is mixed and well incorporated. Let me know if you are enjoying the video. So guys, see, everything is finished. everything is finished. So just trying to make sure that all the sauce has been taken out. Okay guys, now it's time to put it in the oven. So I'll take off my gloves and put it in the oven. I set my oven on broil. That's what I'll be roasting this with. So here am I putting my turkey in the grill. Let me put on the light, guys. Continue to watch the video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Okay, let me know how you do yours. Do you put it on a foil pan like this? How do you do it? Put in the comment section. Thank you. Let's watch the end.